She don't dey come.
This one.
Hi guys. What is this about?
Sorry,
I wasn't.
You not follow us live for this compound?
Nah, the people
wait. Call me. What's the problem?
Nah, me. Nah, me. Make we find the person where they thief. Anna Satamana chicken company now. Want to catch him for.
Talk waiting person go here.
You know hear what she talk? Why you dey shout?
Let's see. We want catch him for the thief. Where the thief?
Sorry, anybody can explain better waiting they happen. Why am I here? We want to talk about the food. I can't understand your language, madam.
We want catch him for the barawo that is catching is stealing all the thing where they company.
Catch him for barawo.
Hey, if person where they thief all our food for this compound, we won't catch him.
I must be jobless to you guys. Sorry, so I'm here to discuss. Sorry, when did this start? You when they shout for that? Shut up! Don't tell me that. Are you okay? Listen. How old was her name? Queen Amina when she started conquering the world and doing different things.
I get Queen Amina.
That one you got.
Now call her.
Next time don't try this rubbish with me. Let it be the last.
Now call her. Insult.
So I'm that job
for my husband compound.
Yes, sir.
So I left the commissioner's call just to answer
for my people. Hold me. Fight this woman.
Listen, you guys are jobless.
Hold me very well.
Jobless women. Who is going to hold you? This is why I say we should do opening prayer. Shut up! Shut your mouth! I beg Jare, make we even talk the plan. We carry us from here.
Yes,
plan, mommy.
You should.
Mommy, let us fast and pray. Mommy, 7 days.
Who born this girl?
Oh,
who born this girl?
Next we come down.
Landlord, we could talk the plan. With you people. I'm not doing the gossip with you people. Mommy, let's speak together.
Where is this Bob Marley landlord? Peter Tosh.
Shemo, Alpha.
What is Shamo? What is Alpha?
What brings you according to Boyibo?
You are asking me.
What you carry you?
Have you not been hearing what I've been hearing?
What do you do?
That this your Jagbajanti's house has been causing commotion in all this area.
Mas.
You are asking me. Do you know I have the audacity to tell the federal government to seize this house? We have seen it before. You see, because we open it, you have riffraff everywhere.
Mr. Chairman, sir, how are you?
Area mama.
Why am I going to hear your voice?
Is this Peter Toso?
Mr. Landlord,
call me Mr. I blame you.
What do you mean?
I blame you.
Person don't agree to return nonsense with this one.
I never know what give us.
This one is very rude. They brought this complaint to the landlord association.
Stupid landlord.
Why not go stupid?
Listen, I can't talk to him.
Who talk to who?
To talk to Mr. Chairman.
Oh, yeah, talk.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Yes.
You know me.
Yeah.
You know how I
work
my
life. Very responsible and gorgeous woman.
I just wanted to mention something to you.
Yes.
Before you go become, street wahala. You know, say for this stupid compound. You remember what I tell you about this compound?
Yes.
Excuse me, Mr. Landlord.
Allow her to talk. Jacko Soro, let him talk. Or let her talk.
Maybe no, Mr. Landlord. For inside this compound, this particular one.
Not they knock the gate, not they knock the gate. Who
they pay you rent for this compound? You don't have
Peter Tosh, I will deal with look, we will give you suspension in the landlord association.
You know, say that they thief people pot. I mean pot of soup.
1G pot.
Yes.
They used to store pot.
I want fry egg the other day. I come out, I don't see egg, I don't see frying pan, I don't see anything. No, I just tell you. I don't say maybe your daughter go down yan you. I just tell before you go become street wahala. Problem there here.
I tell there is no problem in this house. No goddamn problem.
This is the problem.
So if there's no problem, what is the seal doing here?
Mr. Chairman, I say this one.
Now they knock the gate.
I won't buy this compound. I don't tell you. I know they fear the telephone.
You say they are thieving pot and the soup. Did they thief the pot plus the soup or only the pot?
They thief everything, only gas.
Oneday.
Everybody will be doing anyhow.
Yes, nothing. Obilana take the compound.
You need to tell us something.
Area mama. Yes.
Carry out on this order.
All right, come.
Carry out on this order.
Do you know? Hey, hold on.
What thing come?
Area, you are telling me to take action.
Take action.
Do you know we need mobilization to do investigation?
Yes.
Yes.
That's your man. You dey talk to person wey sabi people.
Correct.
Yes, I get that yours.
Wonderful.
Mobilization fee. Small matter.
Don't shout. Don't shout.
Small matter.
We will see the house.
Come on, come back.
Okay. Area. Like I was saying, they say a lot of armed robbers,
Like that,
a lot of thieves, a lot of criminals, a lot of nuisance, a lot of everything. Everybody will be doing anyhow. You see what I'm saying? Do you see what I'm saying? You see what I'm saying? You will be taking riffraff, you will be taking bobongo, everything. Hooligans.
Who's hooligans? The guy for hooligans.
What do you know by hooligans?
You go know now.
A lot of riffraff, bobongo in this house. Kilo for nonsense. Kilo for nonsense. I will see this house. I will see this house. I will blow you. Nonsense.
This is the seventh time now we don't use toilet. 6 times the first time. Now again. 7 times toilet, mommy. But I want you. I say fast and pray. You say no. Fast and pray. 7 days, mama, this all of them light and darkness. There's no have anything. Mommy, let's go to the toilet.
Abeg, I know say una don catch me. Una no vex abeg. Una know say na the condition of the country, man must work na abeg. Abeg. Hi. Sorry, excuse me. Why? I dey come.